Hey guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and today we're looking at these truly wireless earbuds from Dutch company Rolfstone. With some impressive specs and a tiny footprint, these should tick off a lot of boxes when looking for your next great pair of truly wireless earbuds. So stay tuned. So first off, the unboxing is a great premium experience. Everything is nicely designed from the matte black cover to the magnetic box opening. Inside you'll see just how tiny the case and earbuds are, especially when comparing with other truly wireless earbuds on the market. Everything feels super light in the hands, as these earbuds only come in at around 3.5 ounces, and the case has a nice grippy plastic all around. Inside the accessories box is the micro USB cable for charging, and 2 pairs of additional ear tips. Now, I would have liked to have seen USB-C for charging, especially as we near 2020, or hell, even a Rolfstone proprietary cable at this point, but it's not like I have a shortage of micro USB cables lying around the house. So to pair with your device, all you have to do is remove the earbuds from the case, and they will immediately go into pairing mode. Simply search using your device and connect. Also worth mentioning is that there is no marking for which earbud is left or right. Rolfstone says this is a feature, so you can quickly just pop them in without thinking, but if you're like me and like to know that you're listening to the left and right channel, the way to tell is once the earbuds are connected to your device, the left bud will have a chime indicating that both are connected. Taking a closer look at the case, this thing snaps open and close seamlessly, thanks to the built-in magnets, and you can see the stealth Rolfstone branding up top. And on the back is your micro USB port for charging. Each earbud has an LED light, which will turn red when the buds are charging. The case also has LED indicator lights to let you know how much juice is left. In terms of battery life, you can expect up to 6 hours of play on the earbuds, and the case holds an additional 4 charges. So you're basically looking at up to 30 hours of playtime on a single charge. Also, should you run out of juice, charging the earbuds for just 15 minutes will give you up to 3 hours of playback time. In real-life testing, I've been using these as my daily earbuds for the past 2 weeks, and still have not needed to charge the case. In terms of comfort, these earbuds not only have a small footprint once in your ear, but they're so extremely lightweight that you'll forget you're wearing them. I've been at the gym making gains, and have also been bringing these out for jogs, and they've had no problem staying in my ear without any fiddling around. The earbuds are IPX6 certified, so no need to worry about sweating them up or even being caught in the rain. The case is small enough to carry with you without a problem, and they even passed the dreaded sweatpants bulge test. Now, sound quality is great. Initially, I was impressed with the mids and highs, which has the Rolfstone producing some really clear, pleasant sound when listening to music. After experimenting a bit with the included ear tips, I also noticed the bass has improved dramatically once I was able to get a proper seal. These blow away some of the more budget-friendly wireless earbuds available on the market, and have even dethroned my previous favorite truly wireless buds, the Anker Soundcore Liberty Lights, not only in terms of sound quality, but also build quality and features. Everything about the Rolfstone buds seems like a more premium experience. In terms of controls, each earbud has a singular button which will let you skip, pause, and replay your tracks. You can also long press to activate your voice assistant, which is a great feature I didn't know I'd enjoy as much as I do. How's the weather today? Shuffle, Angels, and Airwave songs. So essentially the guy says, there are microphones built inside both earbuds, so you can choose to make and receive calls with one or both earbuds for a stereo phone call. There is zero latency thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, so you can watch Netflix or YouTube without a problem. The Bluetooth connection also rarely drops while out and about, and the only time it's really given me problems was in the heart of Times Square in New York City, or other heavily populated streets. In these areas, the connection will temporarily glitch, but the same can be said about most earbuds, including the Powerbeats Pro, which I've also been using recently. So that about wraps this one up. All in all, these are a great choice if you're looking for a small pair of everyday truly wireless earbuds, and don't necessarily have the $250 to spend on Apple's latest. I'll have links below in the description if you want to check them out, and we'll see you in the next video.